can we relate cells to everyday objects? Well, let's take my Pro scooter, for instance. How does this relate to a plant cell? Well, start off with the rider, me. I'm the mitochondria of the scooter. The mitochondria gives power to the cell. Unlike a scooter, it can't do anything unless the rider is on it, so I will be giving it the power, which then goes down to the leg of the rider, which is also like the rough ER. It moves proteins, or my leg moves the scooter in that case. Now we go down to the handlebars. It's just like the nucleus. It's like the brain of the scooter or the cell. The handlebars not only communicate with the ground, but it communicates with all the stuff inside the head tube. And just like the vacuoles, the head tube holds everything in place, just like the jelly inside the cell. And the clamp is like the chloroplast, but not exactly. See, without the clamp, the handlebars don't stand up straight or sit right, so it holds it upright just like chloroplast, but they don't absorb sunlight and turn green. Now the grips on the handlebars, not only do they keep your hands from sliding off the handlebars, they also do something really important. Microfilaments do intercellular transport, and these channels in the grips transport the sweat away from where my hands are being held. Intercellular transport is the movement of vessels and substance within a cell. Bar ends are more to protect you from your scooter than just protecting your scooter. Yes, they protect the ends of your bars, but they also protect you from getting impaled if you fall on the ends of the open metal bars. They also sound an awful lot like cell walls. It keeps the cell rigid and protected. What holds all these parts together? Bolts. Just like cytosol, it holds everything together. On a cell, cytosol holds the cell together. This little plastic piece, what does it do? It's called a headset dust cover cap. And what's its purpose, you may be asking? It keeps dust out of this bearing by covering it. This bearing is also called a headset. Now this relates to the plasma membrane by keeping out what it doesn't want or need. As we make our way down the scooter, we see some wheels. As a smooth ER, it moves proteins throughout the cell. With the wheels, it basically moves you to your destination. Now the final piece of the scooter is the deck. Just like secretory vessels, they move molecules outside of the cell, and the deck moves me on the scooter. Now don't get me wrong, there's a lot more parts involved with scooter riding, but they all kind of do the same thing relating to what I've already said in this video so far. But that's just the basics of how this Pro scooter can be just like a cell.